Struggling with text inputs in Power Apps? Let me show you how to convert them into dropdowns for better form filling. Welcome to BIvara. In this video, we are working with our sales app form in Power Apps. Currently, every time our app users needs to fill in product details, they have to type the product name manually in the product form. To improve the user experience and reduce typing errors, it's much better to provide a drop-down list of available products. Step 1. Add combo box next to the text input. Go to edit mode, select the product code in the canvas, and then specifically select the product text input control. Next, adjust the width of the text input so that we have space to place the new combo box right next to it. Now go to Insert Input Combo Box and adjust the size of the combo box so we can easily compare the old text input field and the new combo box side by side. Step 2. Connect data source to the combo box. In the right side properties panel, connect to combo box to our data source BI sales data. Then under views, select active BI data. You will notice an automatically generated expression appears in the item property at the top of the canvas. Step 3. Adjust display fields. Go to Advanced Properties of the combo box. Under display fields, by default, you will see that the field region is selected. You know why? Because in our Power Apps, automatically picked the primary column. So we can see in the preview edit column. In our case, region was the default display field from the data source. But we want to display product names. So go back to the canvas, select the combo box, go to advanced display fields and change it to the product column. I'm typing product. After updating, you can verify the new items formula reflects this change. Step 4. Test the combo box in play mode. Let's play the app and test the combo box functionality inside our sales form. You will see a gray rectangular box, combo box appearing for product selection. When switching the form to edit mode, we can now see a list of products. However, you will notice the many product names are repeated or duplicated. Let's fix that. Before that, step 5. We have to rename the placeholder text. You can see find items. Let's also update the placeholder text. Currently it says find items, which is not relevant for our form. Go back to edit mode, select the combo box, change the placeholder text from find items to find products. Now let's play the app again. Perfect. It now shows find products. Step 6. Remove duplicates from Dropdown. Now, to fix the duplicate product issue, go back to the edit mode and under the items property, modify the formula. Here, moving the formula and replacing with our new formula. Distinct of our source. Here our source is sales data. BIvara sample data and then expression. Here we can just replace with a column name. Column name is product. Close it. That's it. Now in play mode, you will see the only unique product names appear in the dropdown. Users can now select products easily without typing every time. Step 7. Allow only single selection. One more thing. By default, the combo box allows multiple selections. But for a sales transaction, want to select only one product at a time. So go to the combo box properties, find select multiple under the advanced and change it from true to false. Let's test again in play mode. Yes, now only one product can be selected per transaction. In the same way, you can apply this method to other fields in your app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to BIvara for more powerful tutorials. Thank you once again.